If you think sport touring motorcycles are only about comfort, the 2026 Triumph Tiger Sport 800 is going to change your mind. Because this bike does something most motorcycles fail at. It blends sharp, exciting performance with real long-distance touring ability. And just when people started digesting that, Triumph released an even more serious touring machine, the Tiger Sport 800 Tour. So the real question is simple. Has Triumph created the new all-rounder king? The Tiger Sport 800 starts strong with a brand new 798cc triple engine that produces 113 bhp and 84 Nm of torque. And what makes this engine truly exciting is that 90% of the torque sits right in the mid-range. That means the bike doesn't wait to wake up. It gives you instant acceleration, clean power delivery, and that signature Triumph triple-cylinder character that riders love. But the real tension begins when you look at the handling. Triumph built this bike with a tubular steel perimeter frame, fully adjustable Showa suspension, and 17-inch cast wheels wrapped in Michelin Road 5 tires. This is not your typical soft touring motorcycle. It feels planted, sharp, and confident. The kind of bike you can easily push through corners on the weekend and still ride comfortably to work every day. Triumph also packed it with all the tech today's riders expect. You get an up and down quick shifter as standard, cornering ABS, cornering traction control, cruise control, and 3 riding modes: Sport, Road, and Rain. Everything is tuned to make the ride safer, smoother, and more engaging without overwhelming the rider. Comfort hasn't been ignored either. You get an upright riding position, an adjustable windscreen, and an 18.6-liter tank that gives you more than 200 miles of range. Long rides don't feel like a punishment, they feel like a purpose. And then Triumph brings out the Tiger Sport 800 Tour, which takes everything good about the standard model and turns it into a complete long-distance package. Straight from the factory, you get integrated color-matched panniers and a top box with a massive 106-liter combined capacity, heated grips, handguards, a comfort seat, a center stand, and a built-in TPMS. It's literally ready to travel the day you take delivery. Yes, it's heavier at 232 kilograms, but every extra kilogram brings real-world touring convenience. Deliveries for the Tour variant start early in 2026, depending on the market. And it's clear Triumph designed this bike to challenge everything in the middleweight touring category. The standard Tiger Sport 800 is perfect for riders who want a sporty, quick, everyday machine. The Tour version is built for riders who want to pack their bags, start the engine, and just disappear into the horizon. Triumph hasn't just updated a motorcycle, they've built a lineup that confidently claims both daily usability and serious touring capability. And that's what makes the 2026 Tiger Sport 800 series one of the most exciting launches of the year. If you want more clean, in-depth breakdowns and upcoming bike insights, stay connected with Zee Autos. More powerful machines are on the way.